the verb changes. Walk will become walked or have walked. Clear? Till now you did that, right? Now only for actions which happened in the recent past, we use V3. Till V3 you understood. Now pay attention to this statement. Okay, you all are sleeping happily. It is a Sunday. It's a nice weather. It's a rainy day. Suddenly you realize, you know, you feel thirsty. So you get up to drink water in the morning. Maybe around 5 a.m. You drink water and see outside your window. It is nicely raining. Okay, raining. This is at 6 a.m. Okay, and then you see and you think, oh my God, it's raining, and then you go back to sleep because it's a Sunday. Then again after 2 hours you wait. Okay, 8 a.m. Still raining. No stopping only. You know, we experienced this weather some days back. Yes or no?
8 a.m.
Yeah. 8 a.m. also it is raining. Yes? Now again 10 a.m. you open the window and say it's still raining. Now, if I have to tell this in a simple sentence, what will you tell? Suppose your teacher calls you and says, Maurvi, can you come to school now because I need to take a special class for you? You say, no ma'am, I cannot come because it has been raining. Why are we saying no, it has been? It is raining at 6 a.m., it is raining at 8, it is raining at 10, and we don't know how long it will rain. So from this time, see a line. Action started here, action going on here, action is still going on when your teacher calls. Right? So what is the sentence? It has been raining since 6 a.m.
8 a.m.
Yeah, no, it started what time? You saw it at what time? 6 a.m. It has been raining since. Well, what are we using? Since. Now pay attention, I'm telling you something more important. Why are we using since here? We are mentioning time, specific. We are saying either 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 4 a.m. Okay, we are mentioning time. So it has been raining since 6 a.m. Repeat after me. It has been raining since 6 a.m. Correct? When are we using since? Okay? Now pay attention. 6 to 8 to 10. How many hours? 4 hours. Now suppose instead of saying 6 a.m., if I want to say 4 hours, it has, say it beta Prasha. You're right. Has been raining for 4 hours. Or if you don't want to say hours also, it will be long time. It has been raining for a long time. Now what is the difference between for and since? Exact time. When we want to say 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., we have to use since. When we don't know the time, we know the duration. What is the duration? Duration. 4 hours, 5 hours, long time, many years. Now suppose if I tell you, she running, I'm telling you, make sentence in your mind. She running marathon 1995. Tell me the sentence. Since. Okay, now she running marathon many years. Marathon for a long time. Understood? Suppose if it is raining since morning 6 बजे से बारिश पड़ रही है, कैसे बोलोगे बेटा इंग्लिश में?
It has
Been raining since 6 a.m. It has been raining since 8 a.m. Okay, but we don't know the time. It is raining continuously. Then has been raining for a long time. A long time. If it is raining 6 a.m., you open from the window and see it. It is 11 a.m. It is still raining. What would you say? It has been raining since 4 a.m. Very good. Okay, but it is raining. Morning onwards. 12 o'clock also it is raining. What would you say? You don't know the time.
It has been raining for
A long time. Okay, beta. When you know the time, specific time, and it is raining, you saw the time when it started raining. What would you say? Okay, and you don't know the time?
It has been raining for a long time.
Excellent, my darling Ritu. Very, very nice. When do you use since and when do you use for?
We use since when we have a specific time.
Good.
And when we don't know the time, we use for.
Very good. Got it? Since and for? Been plus V plus ing. Now, after the formula, just make one sentence. Has been verb plus ing. She has been writing since. Since long time or 6 a.m. Since 10 minutes. Good job. For a long time. So for or since, you need to decide depending on the time. Got it?
If it is mentioned the time, we should use since.
Since.
And if it's not,
If it is not about mention, what do you want to say? Do you know the time or you don't know the time? Depends on that.